Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Peter and draw a sweet little bear. So let's get started. To draw this cute bear, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a big circle. And then I'm going to come across about this wide and draw another circle. There. So now my two circles in, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. Now that the eye's in, I'm going to come to the top of each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then let's go ahead in between the eyes, about right here in the center. I'm just going to draw a little oval for a nose. Then from there, let's find the center of this nose, which is about right here. And I'm going to come straight down with a line and then curve up on both sides for the mouth. And cap it off. There. And then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to draw this mochi shape head. So I'll come to the center of this eye, just approximate, say about right here, come out about this wide. Same thing on the other side, about right here. And with these 2 points, I'm going to go ahead and draw the top first. I'm going to go up over the eyes. And it's going to be narrower at the top, so about right there. I'm going to go up and say about right here. And we're going to bring it back a curve down to there. So let's go ahead. This being our center, now we can go back down. If you're more comfortable drawing the head shape first, you can definitely do that and then put in the eyes and the nose. Just play around with it, see which way you like better. I just like putting in the eyes first because then I make sure I know how big my eyes are and how big the head needs to be, because everything is centered around the eyes and the mouth. Okay, so now that I have this curve, I'm going to go ahead right about here. This is the widest part, and I'm going to start to come in. And then let's go ahead and bring it together, bring it down to about right here. And a soft curve, shallow curve towards the bottom to connect it all. There, something like that, right? Big mochi. Then from there, let's come to the sides right here, and we're just going to draw a little ear for a bear, and the inside, and same thing across on the other side. So I'm just going to drag some points across so that I'm approximately the same area for both ears. Just approximate. Oops. Slippery today. There, and same thing on the inside. Okay, so now that I have that in, let's go ahead and draw the body. So right underneath the eye, say about right here, same thing on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and just draw this simple body. So just come out, this curve, and we're just going to round it off. So bring it down. About right there, just continue it and just round it off. There. And then for the legs, so just find your center, which is about right here. I'm going to go to the left, go to the right, and from there, we're just going to draw a curve coming out. And let's just taper this, just continue this curve. And right about here, round it off and connect. So same thing here, just continuing this curve. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the arms. So say about right here, just going to draw a curve, and then round it off about right here and bring it in. And then on this side, that'd be cute if you just have a wave. So just have the hands come out about right here. So they're approximately the same size as the other one, and then just bring it in. So that our bear is kind of waving. And then from there, that part off. The cutest part of this bear that I wanted to draw for you today is the little bag that it's holding. So say about right here, and just bring your dot right down. I'm going to draw a heart to create this little heart bag that the bear is holding. We create this round bag about here, and then we're going to put in a strap. So let's say about right here, and I'm going to curve it up, thicken up this strap, and continuing this strap to about right here, and curving it up. There. Hopefully you like this cute little bear holding this heart bag. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here today. And I really hope this drawing brings a smile to your day and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.